And then he fired. In one continuous movement, ito yung ginagawa ng attacker. He even had a lighter with him. If you'll see, the blaze was very immediate. And then he entered a private salon. Again, torched the area, torched another table. He torched the slot machines again. And then this is the bar 180. He again fired. Yan. Sinunog niya na naman yung yung mga slot machines. So really, so that establishes the angle of robbery. Sinilip na? Normal speed. Ayun. That's him. So they exchange fire. As you'll observe, he's limping, slowing down. Freeze mo yung sa may face. Oh. Angle lang mo. Okay. So he was walking. So even the carpet, and it appears na binuhusan din ng kerosene or gasoline. Ito na yung PNP force. We're tracking also the assailant.
We have not ascertained the identity of the gunman. However, we are doing our best. We have the taxi driver is with us today, gave us his account, so we may be able to backtrack and be able to identify the gunman.